Hello everyone, today we are going to learn 10 lines on rainy season. The rainy season is a pleasant season. It is also called monsoon season. The rainy season starts in the end of summer season. It starts in June and ends in September. Rainy season is the great gift of God. Rainy season brings relief from heat. In rainy season, we find lot of greenery everywhere. The plants, trees and grass looks very green and attractive. We see clouds, thunderstorms and rainbow in this season. Children love rainy season.